Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Young Family in LA YouTube channel. Today is May 26, 2021. In today's episode, I'm going to show you several hydrangea bushes which produce multiple colors of flowers. Stay tuned. So guys, let's check out two hydrangea bushes in our neighborhood. They are growing in the grass just next to the sidewalk and the church building. So definitely, I think you can see several different colors on these two hydrangea bushes. So let's take a close look. So let's take a look at this hydrangea bush first. Let's look around this hydrangea bush. So I think most flowers are pink or dark pink color, but you still can see some multiple colors on this hydrangea bush, especially some lavender, purple, and check out right here, even kind of like a pure blue color. It's beautiful, amazing. A lot of different colors on these hydrangea bushes. It's beautiful. So let's take a look at this hydrangea bush. So it's pretty much the same as that hydrangea bush. Most of flowers are pink or dark pink, but you can see some lavender, purple, or even over here, right here, it's more blue. Beautiful, beautiful right here. You see here? Definitely, you can see multiple colors on this hydrangea bush. Check out the colors. So beautiful. To be honest, I have no idea what kind of hydrangea species or cultivars these two hydrangea bushes are. But I'm pretty sure they are not mop-head hydrangea, because you check out the flower head, it's not big. And also if we check out right here, I don't think they are endless summer hydrangea, because you can check out right here. You see here, this is one new growth front all the way from the ground. And check out here, no flower head. And this is another one. Check out right here, no flower head. And I think, let me see. Here there's another one. Here there's another one. Here, check out right here. All the way from, you see here, all the way from the ground. And right here, no flower head. So I don't think this hydrangea bush is endless summer, because endless summer hydrangea can produce flowers on new growth and old wood. Kind of, this hydrangea bush only produce flowers on old wood, but not on new growth. So far, I have no idea what kind of species of these two hydrangea bushes. If you know what kind of species of this hydrangea bush, just let me know. Leave comments down below. Even though these two hydrangea bushes are not far from our complex, but as you know, in our complex, most hydrangea bushes, they produce pink color flowers. I seldom can see multiple colors on those hydrangea bushes. But these two hydrangea bushes definitely produce multiple colors. Interesting. Actually, I'm so interested. I just want to know why these two hydrangea bushes produce so many different colors of flowers. As you know, most pink hydrangea flowers contain their color from pink to blue, but it really depends on the soil pH and the presence of aluminum. As you know, if the soil pH is alkaline or neutral, such as greater than 6.5, it's going to produce pink color flowers. If the soil pH is less than 5.5, the hydrangea flower is going to turn blue. If the soil pH between 5.5 to neutral, it's going to produce multiple colors such as lavender, purple, or light blue. For the irrigation system, I think pretty much we use the exact same water because we're in the same area, pretty close. Even though for the same hydrangea bush, they produce several different colors of flowers. That means the soil pH and the ground is kind of like not even. Some soil might be a little bit acidic, some soil might be a little bit alkaline. So that's why this hydrangea bush produce multiple colors of flowers. As you know, alumina is very important for hydrangea flowers turn pink to blue. So I think the soil in the ground might contain a lot of alumina. So I think these two hydrangea bushes produce multiple colors. Might be the reason the species is different from I used in our complex, and also might be related with the soil pH is different, and also might be they have a lot of alumina in the soil. Fortunately, after I got permission from the gardener, just recently I air-layered 2 branches on this hydrangea bush. Let me show you. And one is right here. You see here, a big branch. The other one is right here. And right here. Also air-layered 2 branches on this hydrangea bush. One is right here. Another one, I think, right here. You see here? Right here. So hopefully about 2 months later, I can get some root from these 4 branches. But unfortunately, at that time might be in August. I'm not sure whether they still have blooms on these hydrangea bushes or not. So guys, if you like today's video, please subscribe, like, share, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you guys pretty soon.